What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Mail call, new pickup. I've been gone. I came home to two big old boxes. As you can see, we got the Nike Adapt BB, the dark gray. I was able to get two pair of these, one from the Sneakers app and surprisingly one from Dick's Sporting Goods. I got one pair right here and then the other pair still in the box sealed. So speed up the process. I already took them out the box. You got the two circles which represent what's on the side of the shoe. It's a insert slide in box. On top it says Nike Adapt Earl BB with the Nike logo. You got your finger where you pull your strap where you carry. Got the Nike check. Again, we got the two dots that represent the side of the shoe. So the box comes locked on the side. So what you have to do is stick your finger in and pull it like that on both sides. And you raise it up. Inside of the box is separated for the left and the right shoe, of course. And then both shoes come individually wrapped with Nike paper. So go ahead and slide one of these out. There you go. The gray color, which I think look pretty good. Got the mesh reflective Nike check. You got your two buttons, two buttons like you see right there on the side. It's the power button. Those change colors, tighten and loosen. Then of course the back of the shoe, silver or gray, whatever you want to call it. And it has plastic on the shoe, of course, so it doesn't scratch. Nike check on the inside. The tongue has red in it. And then it comes with hard plastic shoe trees. And then the bottom is red. On the other pair of Adapts, the bottom was blue. So these were red as they were promoting them. And then, of course, inside the box, you got a charging pad that you sit your shoes on to charge. Charging pad, and it comes with a Type-C charger. Let's see if he's, yeah, they got some juice. There you go. You see they light up. They got a little juice. And of course, they connect to the app on your phone. I already went through this with you guys. There you go. See, it just laced. It connect with the app on your phone, the Nike Adapt app. I'm not going to connect it because it's connected to my other pair. So, of course, give it Bluetooth. And then it pops up. It scans. Oh, it's done. See, it looks for your shoe. Then it'll connect until you hold it near the buttons. Then once it connects, it'll beep and vibrate. And then you press a button. Then you move on to the next shoe. But I think this gray colorway is pretty good. This dark gray. They need to come with an all black, but all in all, I'm satisfied. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it through the camera. Since it's gray, this mesh, you can kind of see through and see what's on the inside of the shoe. But like I said, other than that, pretty satisfied with it. And it actually, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it's not gonna work. But it actually comes with two shoe trees. Let me sit this down. See if I can prop it up. It actually comes with two shoe trees. So you got that's for the back, the heel part, and then the shoe part. So it comes with two shoe trees, and then of course on the inside of the shoe This is the left shoe, so it has a L, and then you see the colors that it can change. Now on the app has the same thing just like that whenever you change them. So you can see on the inside we got the Nike tag with the barcode, QR code right there also. Then on the tongue, you can see it. Serious Earl. But that's the first look at these that I've been waiting to get home to. Nike Adapt BB, dark gray colorway. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.